What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another episode of ClearCryptos Education. Today, we're going to be covering no other than FTX. I can't make this stuff up. This story, this saga just continues. If you guys like what you see here in the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts on all of the information that we're bringing your way. That being said, my name is T Hobbs. You can catch me over at the crypto shops with my man Jay Seals up there. And today we're going to be discussing this outstanding story about FTX and now reportedly having synthetic shares. So take it away, Justin.
All right, so the report suggests FTX's tokenized stocks might have not been backed one to one, and that synthetics may have been used to manipulate real stock prices. Man, if that doesn't sound like fraud, I don't know what does. So, on December 4th, a report details that FTX based synthetic stocks may have been used to manipulate the value of AMC shares. Man, if the game isn't rigged. In May 2021, FTX offered 36 tokenized stocks, but speculators believe it's questionable whether or not the firm actually held the real stocks in the first place.
Jesus.
FTX has been under the microscope ever since the exchange collapsed during the first week of November. Since then, there's been a lot of information to process and new information released. On Sunday, a report details that tokenized stocks listed on FTX may have been used to manipulate the price of AMC shares. The publication, thechainsaw.com, and its report showed that while FTX terms of service said the firm's synthetic stocks were backed one to one, that may not have been the case. FTX listed wrapped AMC tokens for trading on its synthetic derivatives trading platform. Chainsaw's Twitter account details Etherscan.io currently shows that there are 545,000 synthetic AMC tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. FTX claimed the underlying stocks were custodied with asset manager CM Equity AG. Chainsaw tweets add the publication Twitter account continued. However, a recent rectification from CM Equity shows that the firm terminated its relationship with FTX in December 2021, which means that FTX lied about the custody of AMC tokens for the better part of 2022. Oh, you can't make this up. Additionally, the chainsaw.com published another report that details that GameStop and Tesla shares could have been manipulated as well. Furthermore, the researchers note that the leaked FTX balance sheet disclosed by the Financial Times shows the company only holds Robinhood shares. There's the worst shares to hold. There's no documentation as of right now that's been made public that shows FTX actually owned any of the 36 tokenized stocks it listed. Furthermore, during SBF's interview on Mario Narfal's Twitter Spaces, which if you didn't catch it, it was insightful, crazy, and also a little, very unprofessional. Yeah, there you go. You took my word. I wasn't gonna mess that one up, but yes, very unprofessional. Spectators accused SBF of describing a system where tokens and BTC could be printed out of thin air. Additionally, when SBF left Narfal's Twitter Space interview, an individual accused FTX and Alameda of printing tokens out of thin air to manipulate the value of his project's token listing, which I did hear him say that. Moreover, the Chainsaw.com reporter Tom Mitchell-Hill says FTX knowingly lied about the tokenized stock offering, despite clear claims from FTX's website assuring investors that they could redeem their tokenized assets for the underlying at any time. A deeper look into FTX's own terms of service on tokenized stocks and key information documents state buyers of fractional stocks have neither a claim to delivery of the underlying. Man, gotta read the fine print. Mitchell Hill wrote, this ultimately means that FTX knowingly lied and misled customers on its official website and went directly against its own terms of service. Mitchell Hill's report further suggests that inconsistencies concerning their listing and custody could be applied to literally anything FTX offered. Now, putting everything that I read aside about them creating the synthetic shares and basically creating fake money or tokens out of dust, there's another interesting angle that I want to hit real fast before I give it to Hobbs. So, if in fact FTX was able to do this, it's not out of the realm of possibility that they could also make it look like you got money in your account that they took out, gave to Alameda, let them do whatever trading they had with no stop loss and no risk management, and make it look like you still had money in there. You were buying fake tokens because They could create fake tokens that you could fake purchase that you weren't really purchasing at all with money you didn't really have, and that's how they got away with this whole scheme. So, Hobbs, what do you think?
It's I mean, sorry, Clear Cryptos, if I messed up, but it's complete BS. I think this is absolutely ridiculous and it's gone on too far. And unfortunately, I don't think that we'll ever get to the bottom of it. I just keep saying this. I just genuinely feel like they had their hands in everything. I mean, what other way, and it doesn't surprise me that, allegedly, hypothetically, Gary Gensler, head of the SEC, right? Plus, some leaders of some hedge funds, some pretty large hedge funds that were also fighting the AMC and GameStop movement and trying to move synthetic shares over to different locations. Doesn't surprise me at all that FTX is now coming out with a story. We starting to uncover a story that they had their hands in AMC, along with owning what was it, 9% or 8% of Robinhood, something like that.
I don't know. I don't think they didn't actually say the percentage
I
that
think
they
they had a
held.
very large stake in Robinhood. I remember reading a story where they bought a ton of shares in Robinhood. So guess who Robinhood was tied to? Had more hedge funds, right? Guess who they answer to? Hedge funds. So I don't know. It just stinks to all hell what is going on behind the scenes, and I really hope they get it cleaned up. I doubt it. I have zero faith that it'll actually get cleaned up in the proper way, but at least once we get past this portion, maybe we can get some guidelines moving forward. That's all I can really say about it because it's just bad for business. It just is. When you do business this poorly, it's very bad for crypto. So yeah, I won't beat a dead horse, man. You did a damn good job reading the story and breaking it down. So what I will say though is leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about this particular story. If you're an AMC ape, if you rock with the GameStop movement as one of the apes out there, I think this is a particular story that you might want to be interested in. So hit a like on the video, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But we wasted enough of your time. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is T Hobbs over at the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.